Welcome back, everyone. Whether you want to save a couple dollars or you're just trying to be more eco-friendly, there's a DIY cleaner for every single purpose. So here to show us how we can get spick and span with things you probably have already in your cupboard is Joni Ellis of Little Helpers. Good morning, Joni. Joni already comes
Joni already
inside.
inside.
So I don't know what kind of doorbell it is.
Hi, Joni.
Good morning, darling.
So, Joni, Little Helpers. Tell us about it.
We are a residential and commercial cleaning company. We do post-construction, renovation cleaning. We also do upholstery and carpet cleaning. We'll steam clean your mattress, we'll steam clean your home. And we're also very eco-friendly, so you'll find that we don't use a lot of harsh chemicals. So if you have young babies, if it is that you're just somebody that is interested in preserving the environment, then you'll probably want to use my service.
Nice. Love that. Okay, so let's get into it. So what are we looking at? We're looking at vinegar.
We're looking at vinegar.
Baking soda.
Baking
I
soda.
can't place the flour. I don't know where that come in.
She said, patch, I
Right.
use it, patch things.
Or I could make you some starfish fritters.
That's
Aye,
all.
there you go.
But you know-
Where's the sausage from?
Exactly.
We've been talking about these fritters.
But how does it all work? Tell me.
Well, what it is that if you're at home and you need to clean and that's eco-friendly, then like for
Are you not
flour,
have the money
are you not
to
have the
buy
money?
nothing? True.
Yes, flour you could sprinkle if you have stainless steel sinks. You could sprinkle this in, right, and just set to scrubbing. Baking soda is also good.
The
for
flour
that.
helps
there,
you
back up.
scrub?
Right,
Yes,
exactly.
it does. It helps you to scrub your sink and it will bring it up to that polish, that nice shine.
So it won't become like a pasty kind of thing
It
and
will,
stick
but
up in the bottom of it.
once you wash that off, your sink will be shiny.
Wow.
Oh, so hold on. So if the flour can do that, should it be inside me? 'Cause that's-
That's a question, maybe.
Well,
you
I
can-
don't eat
yeah,
the
like if your
flour.
flour can do that, like why should I eat it like a dumpling or something like that?
Right, so if you're not going to eat it, you can still use it to clean.
Gotcha. Okay,
Alright.
cool.
Okay, what do we use the baking soda for?
Baking soda is very good for odor control. So by putting this in your fridge, it will help to absorb odors. It's also good for
Needle.
scouring
Yes, yeah.
kind of situation. Your baking soda, you can use it to help to remove stains. It can help to use to remove just various things. This is like an essential in your
Yeah,
kitchen.
and it's so diverse. You know, the product can be used for multiple reasons. I use it as well to clean the tiles in my bathroom.
I use it to brush my teeth sometimes.
okay, and a little bit of this with a little bit of water can remove the stains from your coffee mug.
Speaking of coffee mug, I hope you guys have noticed that our coffee mugs have changed color. It's
Yes.
from TD True Designs Creative Studios. It changed color when the you know, hot, cold, all of that stuff. It's really cool. We'll talk about that later. But if you have stained up coffee mugs, you can use the baking soda.
Correct.
All right. I see. Foil. What
Okay.
foil after the cleaning?
Silverware, right? So this with a little salt and warm water, you can actually get a glass bowl, line it with foil paper. It's something about chemistry and all this, right?
Oh,
so
That's why I won't.
Yeah, I was like, what?
yes, and clean your silverware, put it in there and just allow it to soak. Then you can polish them off, right?
Okay, guide us through that again.
Yep.
Take the foil. put it
You
in
can
a
actually
container.
line a glass container, pour warm water, salt, and you can put your
Put the silverware in that.
in there, and then you can polish them afterwards. Also, if you don't have foil, you can use simply a foil container, like those baking tins that we use, the disposable ones. You can use
Soak
that
it
to
in
do
that.
the same thing and soak it in it, and you'll be able to polish your silverware.
Okay.
That's cool.
So let's talk about the vinegar, because the vinegar is as diverse as the
The
baking soda. Yeah.
it is. I love vinegar. Like it leaves this nice, fresh scent in your house. I do. I love vinegar. So with the vinegar, you can use it to clean your microwave.
Right.
Yes, a little vinegar in a bowl with a wooden spoon, with a wooden stick, like
Right.
a toothpick. Put it in the microwave. Run your microwave for 5 minutes.
For
go
what?
inside. it removes this. It removes
No,
the
tell me
stain.
why they wouldn't stick.
Because when the water boils, you want to prevent it from boiling over in the
Over.
microwave.
Oh, like when you put it on top of pot to a
Exactly.
boil.
Exactly. So it does that. Also, if
It's a
you
chemistry thing again.
Yes, the chemistry thing. I'm an English person. So if it is also, if you have a dishwasher, some of this will make your glass come out without the hard water marks.
Oh.
So vinegar is also good for, so you can use it to clean glass at home, your shower enclosures, all of that, your mirrors. So you no longer need to really buy glass cleaner.
Yeah.
Don't buy glass cleaner, buy vinegar.
By vinegar. Here it's
Okay.
like an all-purpose cleaner, so you can make like 1 part white vinegar, 1 part water, lemon rind, and rosemary,
Right.
and that's like a all-purpose kind of thing with
All-purpose
that
cleaner.
has fragrance.
Yes, and it's child safe because even in my home, since I had my daughter, I don't use bleach.
Yeah.
I cannot stand the smell of bleach, so vinegar tends to be my
But vinegar
go-to
has a smell to it, and I
person.
think that's the reason why people kind of shy away from using it.
But it's a more tolerable smell, and if
For
you
you.
open your mind to it, it's kind of a fresh smell.
and it doesn't last that long,
And it
yeah?
doesn't last
Yeah.
that long. And when you use it to wipe your floors, like the sheen that
Shine.
you get, it's incomparable.
Pretty.
Okay, Well, the last one that we have here does include bleach. It says last resort clothing stain remover.
Yes.
But all the things in this, a gallon of hot water, powder dishwasher detergent,
Yes.
dishwasher detergent.
Detergent is very good for breaking down oil stains.
Yes.
So you're talking about the one that we used to wash plates.
Wash your plates. Even if you
Like
have a
Fab?
not
Because
Fab, the
me just
liquid
wanna- me
like
don't know me
Dawn,
ask, 'cause
The one
some
in our
people
like-
want to wash something them.
Pal, or one of those dishwashing liquids.
And then add a cup of regular liquid chlorine bleach, not ultra or concentrated or anything
No,
like
because
that.
bleaching of itself is already a strong
Strong thing,
product,
yeah.
and you don't want to be mixing it with a lot of other chemicals. The fumes from that get into your system, it can harm your kind of situation. So you have to be cognizant of when you use certain chemicals.
Exactly.
So you want to not use anything that's going to react with each other.
All right,
All
cool.
right. So the must-haves for your kitchen. Let's go through them again. Baking soda,
Vinegar, flour,
flour,
The
and
foil paper.
aluminum foil or
And of course,
and the
remember
Scotch
you
Brite,
need
the
something to
trusted
scrub.
Scotch Brite.
scrub with. You know, those are so harsh on the nails.
I know, but you know, I said to everybody, get a pair of gloves. Like, it makes household work. You feel all
Oh,
stuffy.
yeah.
I'm so prepared for this, and you pop your gloves on. You might have an apron. You know, you feel.
Or if you don't have no, you can use plastic
not
bags.
spoofing ourselves. Some gloves, no gloves, don't matter. Where you say, Mr.
Well,
Khan?
call
You
it to
cleaning
help
gloves?
us.
No, I'm just clean gloves.
Don't tell lie, you don't clean.
What you say?
You clean?
Of course.
Which part are you
Not the
clean?
cleanest.
You're the cleanest?
Yeah.
Oh, you
Okay.
clean your toilet?
Show it.
With
the-
what?
with the-
Demonstrate.
You get the brush,
Right.
toilet brush,
Yeah.
spray a little kaboom in it.
Kaboom!
Kaboom.
You have to go kaboom. Oh, you go. I mix it
Yeah,
with
need too fast. Yeah, need too fast.
no,
Have to scrub
you have
the
to
side them.
You
Yeah.
go around once and then you scrub.
Scrub.
Accordingly and go around.
Right.
You
Yeah.
scrub accordingly.
Scrub accordingly.
To whatever
So whatever
To make
is
sure,
there.
no, to
Why
make
want
sure
to-
you get
why you want to go
everywhere.
into specific details about what's in them toilets? Jeez, oh Lord.
Good job. You do clean. Thank you so much, Joni. I mean,
you so
that
much,
was
my
very, the
darling.
flour thing.
Yeah,
had
that-
no
I did
clue.
not
I'm
know
gonna
about
try
that.
So, Chief Executive Officer of Little Helpers, Joni Ellis. Buy some flour. You don't have to eat it, but it will clean your sink.
my
We're
God.
going to beautify your space when we get back from the break. So don't go anywhere. Me and Zebby is still here, and we're opening the door. Ding dong.
Mr. Khan.
All of my guys know me all about me